Hi everybody, it's Professor Jen. I want to talk about getting ready for next week. So by this time, we've been through class. We've had a good class together, I hope. I've gotten to know you guys a little bit. You've gotten to know me a little bit. And you've gotten to know the course a little bit. We should have by this time gone over the syllabus, done your first writing exercise, and you're starting to build some familiarity with the course. This is the book that we'll be using all summer. And it really does help us step through exercises to build your knowledge and to make sure that you're getting comfortable and confident in using language in the way that's going to get your meaning across to your reader. Okay? We will have done the first half of part 1, which is talking about paragraphs. We will have done the first 15 pages. Here's what I recommend to get ready for week number 2. Make sure you complete all the activities in week 1 in the folder called week 1. And you'll have one of those folders for every week. Okay, you've got to do a journal entry to introduce yourself. You should have already done the diagnostic in lab. And the last thing you have to do is there's a quiz. Now the quiz is based on what we covered in class. Then the last thing I recommend you do is before next week, read the rest of unit number 1. That's pages start with page 15 and go all the way through this. Read it. You can do these exercises if you want. We will spend time on it in class, so you don't have to do them, but I highly recommend you at least read through all of this all the way up to page 31, all the way through the end till you see this picture, okay? And we will cover this in week 2. This is the week 2 material, but if you really want to get ahead, read through it. You don't have to do the exercises yet because we'll do those in class, but I want you to have a really firm foundation of what it is that's going to be coming up in the next week, okay? So for week 2, complete your introduction. It's a written assignment in Blackboard. Do the quiz. It's got to be done by the beginning of week 2's class. And read pages 15 to 31 in our great writing book right here. All right, make sure you bring this book to class. We will use it every class. If you have any questions, let me know. My cell phone is 609-865-0321, and I welcome your questions. Texting is the best way to get in touch with me, and I'll always respond back as soon as I can. All right? I look forward to seeing you again in class.